All right, thank you so much, Leanne. A very good morning to you, and thank you so much for joining us here on Morning Live on this Wednesday morning, the 14th of March 2018. It's good to have you on board. Our top story: former President Jacob Zuma has spent over 15 million rand on legal fees during his 9-year fight against his case of spy tapes. The Department of Justice has revealed the information in the letter sent to the DA. The DA approached the Western Cape High Court late last year to compel Zuma to reveal how much he had spent in the case. The DA wants the former president to repay the money, saying the legal action was in his personal capacity for crimes he allegedly committed before he was president of the country. President Ramaphosa is expected to respond in Parliament today. He'll be answering questions in the National Assembly today for the first time since his election as the head of state.
Set to answer 6 questions. Each question is followed by 4 follow-up questions. Land expropriation without compensation will come under the spotlight as DA leader Musi Maimane wants to know the details of how this policy will be implemented. The EFF, on its part, will quiz the president about the value of legal costs of former President Jacob Zuma since he took office in 2009. The party will also demand to know on what legal provision or policy did the state rely on to use state money to fund the former president's personal legal costs. The National Freedom Party wants to know about what steps does President Ramaphosa intend to take to restore public confidence in the National Prosecuting Authority. The IFP will move to probe whether the government will implement a cabinet committee recommendation of 2000 which wants to amend the constitution in order to clarify the powers and functions of traditional leaders. Meanwhile, the ANC will also ask the president about the controversial mining charter which has been put on hold. The ruling party will want to know what should be the broad principles that underpin the mining charter. In another question, the ANC will also seek clarity on the concept of a social compact and drivers of economic recovery. Pulelani Philip, SABC News.